So did you watch the ペコラ先輩カラオケ thing? みんな見たのかな今日、ペコラ先輩の When I had to decide what song to pick, I was thinking, okay, it should be a song that I can sing well. Obviously. And I do think I sang Goodbye Singing well in the past, and I don't think I sang it badly this time, but I don't know what got into me. なぜあの曲選んだのだろう。ね、まあ得意かなと思ってたんだけどね。But I chose a song that is like an incredible challenge, I guess. And I wanted to challenge myself because I was thinking like it would be boring. Like I could just choose an easier song, but I want to choose an interesting song. So I chose an interesting song that shows that I'm challenging myself. I could have gone for something simpler. But why did I choose it? I was going for a different songs from Matsuda Aya, but I was told not to choose those songs because of rights or whatever. So I was like, damn it. Okay, let me rethink this then. Vocaloid song moment, yeah. I could have probably had an overall better performance if I chose a different song, but you know, you gotta challenge yourself. Yes, gotta challenge yourself. And then, mostly like us participants, us online participants, we were mostly like just watching and like on standby and chilling because I guess we were holding back on, well, when we were not on, when it wasn't our part, it was a bit hard to participate, I guess, compared to being there in person. But then I finally got some moments where around the end, because I noticed, Pekora-senpai is kind of stalling for the final result, and she's like asking the people there for comments, and then they were like quiet, and then it continued to be quiet, and I was like, I gotta say something. I was already thinking when she was asking them to say something, but I didn't want to start talking when they would start talking. I kept on waiting it out. Then she asked the phone participants, the phone jokers. And I was like, oh, now's my time! Pekora-senpai! Why didn't you sing? You're the only one that didn't sing! Also, let's go to karaoke! ペコラ先輩だけ歌ってないですけど、この後カラオケ枠とかあるんですか？
ないですよ、ないですよ。ペコラはタモさん枠なの。ペコラはタモリさんの MC 役ですから、ないですから。昨日のうちに言ってあるから、ペコラこの枠やるって言った時にペコラは歌いません。あ、そうか。
Good for me. I was able to bring in some keynotes. ペコラ先輩歌わなかったね。なんかでも優しいな。みんなを先に優先する。恥ずかしがり屋。でもリスちゃんもリスちゃんにカラオケ行きたいな。隣で歌聞きたいなって言ってた時にってなった。When she was like, I mean, it's so understandable. She was like, Risu, I want to sit next to you when you sing, let's go to karaoke. And I was like, just 5 minutes ago, I was like, let's go to karaoke as a joke. 最近は忙しすぎてダンス練習ばっかりでカラオケ行く時間がなかなかないですけど、行きましょう、ペコラ先輩。
じゃあ後で考えといて。ペコーラあれだな、リスちゃんとカラオケで行ったらさ、もうずっと歌聞き入っちゃいそうだからさ、今度いつ日本来る？
When's the next time you're coming to Japan?
いやー欲しいな。夏行きたいな。
もし来たらさ、
わかんないけど、まだわかんないけど。
わかんない。もし来たらさ、ペコーラと隣で歌歌ってくれる？ずっと。
カラオケ行きたいって言ってますよ。She wants to go to karaoke with you.
やばい、さっきキアラにさ、ごめんとか言ってたの。じゃあキアラとリスと一緒に行くわ。
With Kiara and Liz. ペコラ先輩。
3人で行こうな。ね、行こうね。てか布団だけ。
ちょっと待って。Let me go along. Let me join. join. Let me join. She was like, she was asking Risu, when are you coming to Japan? She was like, summer. Oh, okay, let's go. I want to hear you sing. I'm like, hey, ちょっと待って。Well, I know Pekora senpai isn't one to go out much or hang out much, but perhaps one day, it doesn't have to be karaoke, just 何でもいいから、ちょっと一回でも一緒に何か遊びたい。I know what we have to make happen. We have to get Pekora senpai as a guest to EN Live as one of the JP members. I wasn't usually wasn't really part of it, but the JP members that went with us to America so far always were really excited to hang out and be taken around by the other EN members, like being shown around, That's 4D chess. Cause like then they're in foreign territory, so it's like I don't know where I am. I hope these EN girls can show me around and show me what's up. Yeah, like Suisei Senpai, for example, like they went to musicals. I wasn't in that group that went to the musicals with them, but this time around, I would force myself into that group. She wouldn't be able to stream for so many days. Yeah, I don't know if she could forgive herself for that. She rarely excuses herself for such long times. Yep. Oh yeah, Peko Mari, that would be quite the lineup one day. Oh, Pekoran BB, that would also be cute. Yeah. いつかね、ペコラ先輩をENのライブとしてゲスト呼んだら、ENのライブでゲストとして呼んだら、なんか遊べそう。夢だね。その手があった。楽しかったよー。